Hello friends, welcome to Easy Homemade Projects. In today's video, I will show you how to make box seal labeling machine with the help of Arduino. Before we continue with today's video, I want to give a big thanks to JLC PCB for supporting this project. If you love building electronics like I do, JLC PCB makes it super easy to order PCBs and PCB assembly. You just upload your Gerber files, bill of material file, pick and place file, get an instant quote, and your order is placed within minutes. And when it comes to reliability, JLC PCB really stands out. They use premium A-grade materials, they have full in-house production, strict quality control, and a super fast 24-hour turnaround. That is exactly how I got the boards for today's project. All links are in the description below. Now let's get back to the build. So guys, after placing an order at JLC PCB, we got our PCBs within a week. So here is the box. Let me open it to show you our new PCBs. As you can see, the build quality of these PCBs is really amazing and looks very good. Here are all the components that are required to complete our control board PCB. So here you can see A4988 stepper motor driver, 2 tactile switches, 1 N4007 diode, BC547 transistor. Here are 200 microfarad capacitors, a 2-terminal block, DC power jack, a 0.96 inches OLED display. Here are some male and female header pins, a 12-volt relay. Here are two 5-volt voltage regulators, 7805 with these two heat sinks and screws. This is Arduino Nano. Here are three 5mm LEDs, two 10 kilo ohm resistors and four 1 kilo ohm resistors. And this is our PCB. Now I will solder all these components to our new PCB. Okay guys, so component soldering is complete, as you can see here. Here are all the 3D printed parts that are required to complete our machine. So first of all, here you can see main plate. So all the major components will be connected with this plate. And here is the top plate. This is the sensor holder. Our IR sensor will be connected here. And this is the end stopper. Here is the label roll holder, and here are some other parts. I will tell you about these parts later in the video. Here are some other materials that are required to complete our machine. Here you can see a NEMA 17 stepper motor, and here are two very soft springs. I made these springs with the help of nichrome wire. And here is Arduino IR sensor, a 5-volt DC gear motor. Here are 5 pieces of 8mm shaft. The length of each shaft is around 5 to 6 centimeters. And here is a 3 centimeter long 5mm shaft. Here is a label roll. You can find this kind of label roll at any online store. This is our control board PCB, and here are some screws. Here you can see a rubber roller. This kind of roller is used in the printers for the paper pickup mechanism. And here is a small hard spring. And here are two washers. So now we will start assembling our project. Now first of all we will insert these two shafts here. This one will go here and the second one will go here, like this. And now we will insert both of these springs here, and then this part will go here. And now we will connect this thing here with the help of these small screws. And now this thing should be moved very easily, like this. As you can see, very smooth movement. You can also put some oil drops here in these holes to make it more smoother. Now this IR sensor will be connected here. And make sure that the sensor should not touch anywhere during the movement. Now we will connect this piece of shaft here, and this one is here, and the third one will go here, like this. And now this small gear motor will be connected here, like this. Now this stepper motor will be connected here, and we will tight it with the help of these small screws. Now we will connect this part here, like this, with the help of these screws. Now we will insert this roller inside this rubber, like this, and now this thing will go here. And this small roller will go here. Now we will connect this part here with the help of some super glue, and then this small roller will go here with the help of this 5 mm shaft, like this. Now we will insert this spring here, and then this part will go here. Here I have a 5 by 10 inches piece of laminated sheet. So we will fix our machine on this piece with the help of these wood screws. So guys, physical structure of our machine is complete, and now it's time to make all the wiring connections. So the wiring connections are very simple and easy. This NIMA 17 stepper motor wires will be connected here with these pins, and this small gear motor wires will be connected here with this terminal, and this IR sensor wires will be connected here with these pins. So now let me do all these wiring connections and then I will be back. So guys, all the wiring connections are now complete, as you can see, and I connected our control board with the help of this tape. So during the label roll changing, we will be able to move our control board easily. And now it's time to burn Arduino code. Okay guys, so finally our machine is complete, and now it is ready to use. And now I am going to connect it with a 12 volt power supply source. So if we run the machine without label roll, it will stop automatically after a few seconds. So here is a start button and stop button, and this is stop LED and this is running LED. So when the machine will run, this LED will glow, and during the stop condition, this LED will glow. So now if we start the machine, as you can see, machine is stopped after a few seconds because there is no label roll. So now we will load the label roll in our machine and then we will test it again. Now this washer will go here, and then this spring, again this washer, and now we will tighten it with the help of this thing. And now we will tighten the screw. And now this label will go here. And now here. And now we will fix it with this small roller with the help of some super glue. So the label roll is loaded, and now our machine is complete and ready to use. So now we will connect it again with power supply. And now we will start the machine and test it. Now the machine is running. Here we have a box, and now we will apply a label here. As you can see, it is perfect. So guys, that's it for today's video. All necessary information about this project you can find in the video description. I hope you will like this project, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.